Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. 2 mice, 1. Correct. And they and them. What is the difference? Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Is that a mouse? Is that a mouse? Mouse. A mouse is a small animal, smaller than a rat. And we also have a computer mouse. And the answer, yes, it is. And this word has an irregular plural. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Correct. Please make a flashcard like this. Mouse times 2, an animal and a computer mouse. The plural, 2 mice. Down here, ANIM, 1. This means animal, level 1. And over here, the number 21 out of 33. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, mow, mouse. Number 2, mice. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We have 3 sentences here. Number 1, they are people. They are pens. They are dogs. They are people. They are pens. They are dogs. They are people. They are pens. And we also use it for animals. Please repeat. I, me, my. You, your. She, her. He, him, his. If you do not know these, please write them down in your notebook now. When we have more than one, we use they, them, their. Please repeat. They are my friends. I like them. Please write this in your notebook. Please make a card like this. Write they up here in the top left corner. Remember, it's times 3. It could be people or pens or animals. Down here, the category, I, me, my, 21. And over here, the number 16 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. They. Game over. You did really well today. We learned 2 mice, 1 mouse. Correct. And they, I like them. That's right. Level 2 words. I like to eat noodles. Very good. Jennifer is beautiful and Bob is correct. And irregular verb, hold, held, held. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.